Hello children, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope all of you are fit and fine. Now today we have almost come to the end of this lesson. I'm going to discuss some opposites. Make sentences. I am going to give you homework. You are going to write down the sentences on your own. And I'm going to give you a summary of the chapter which we have read. Means the magic pot. Okay, so let's start. If you have a notebook with you, you can write while I say. Okay. Number 1, poor. P-O-O-R. P-O-O-R. Poor. What is the opposite of poor? Rich, wealthy, anything you can write. R-I-C-H, rich, or W-E-A-L-T-H-Y, wealthy. Next, beautiful. What is the opposite of beautiful? Ugly. U-G-L-Y, ugly. Next, angry. What is the opposite of angry? Pleased, calm, anything you can say. Pleased, P-L-E-A-S-E-D, pleased, or calm, C-A-L-M, calm. Next, gently. What is the opposite of gently? Firmly, strongly, anything you can say. F-I-R-M-L-Y, firmly, or strongly also you can write. S-T-R-O-N-G-L-Y, strongly. Number 5, safe, unsafe, very easy. Number 6, gladly. Means gladly you are doing something. Willingly, you are willing to do that particular thing. What is the opposite of gladly? Reluctantly. You are unwilling to do. Okay, reluctantly. R-E-L-U-C-T-A-N-T-L-Y. Reluctantly. R-E-L-U-C-T-A-N-T-L-Y. Reluctantly, or unwillingly also you can write. U-N-W-I-L-L-I-N-G-L-Y. Unwillingly. U-N-un, then willingly. Together. W-I-L-L-I-N-G-L-Y. Unwillingly. Number 7. Happy, sad. S-A-D, sad. Guest. What is the opposite of guest? Host. H-O-S-T. Host. Number 9. Foolish, wise, sensible, anything. W-I-S-E, wise, or sensible. S-E-N-S-I-B-L-E, sensible. Next, green. Green means smile. What is the opposite of smile? Frown. F-R-O-W-N, frown. So, I'm repeating from the beginning once again. Poor, rich or wealthy. Beautiful, ugly. Angry, pleased or calm. Gently, firmly or strongly. Safe, unsafe, very easy. Gladly, unwillingly or reluctantly. Happy, sad, this is also very easy, all of you know. Guest, host. Foolish, wise or sensible. Green, frown. G-R-I-N, green. The opposite of green is frown. F-R-O-W-N, frown. Okay. Next, make sentences. I'm going to send the snapshot of the words through the app. You are going to make the sentences on your own. Okay. If you cannot, you please let me know. I'm going to send the answers. But please, children, try to write the sentences on your own. Precious, curse, you know all the meanings I've taught you in this lesson. Reward, dream, magically, wonderful, delicious, foolish, steal, and the last one is neighbors. 10 words are there with which you are going to make the sentences. and after completing the sentence, please underline the word with which you are framing the sentence. Okay, please don't forget to underline the word with which you are making the sentence, with which you are framing the sentence. Am I clear to you? Okay, now I'm going to tell you the summary of the chapter once again. We are going to revise it. Now, what was the chapter about? What was the chapter about? The chapter was about a poor woodcutter, right? A poor woodcutter whose name was Subhadatta. He was a woodcutter with a family to feed because he was very poor. Okay, he was not at all wealthy. He was a very poor woodcutter. But what happened one day? One day he went out in the forest. He went out in the forest one day to cut wood. And there what happened? There he met the Yakshas. I hope all of you remember who are the Yakshas. In mythology, heavenly beings set to guard the riches of the gods. So, he met the Yakshas in beautiful silk clothes and jewelry. Right? Then they asked him to work for them while they will provide food to his family and reward him with whatever he wanted. Now what happened? The Yakshas asked Subhadatta to work for them for a month, and in return they will provide food to his family and reward him with whatever he wanted. They said whatever he wanted, they were ready to give it to him. Whatever he wanted, Next, what happened? Now the beautiful pot offered by the Yakshas could fetch anything he wished for. Right? What happened? When he wished for pulao, it came out of the pot. Then again, delicious dishes came one by one. And Subhadatta was very surprised. On completing all the work of the Yakshas, he demanded to keep the pot. He asked for the pot. They agreed on the condition that if the pot broke, it would return back to the Yakshas. Now what happened? See, the Yakshas warned him that if you break the pot, it will return to us. And they asked him to ask for something else. But Subhadatta wanted the pot and nothing else. So at last the Yakshas gave away the pot to the Subhadatta on the condition that if the pot broke, it would return back to the Yakshas, and that what had happened. Yes or no? Yes. Then what happened? After returning home to his family, the woodcutter arranged a meal for the villagers. Right, after returning home to his family, the woodcutter, Subhadatta arranged a meal for the villagers. And the villagers, that means his guests, kept on asking him that from where did he get the money to buy such good food. Now Subhadatta at first grinned to himself and kept quiet because he was afraid that someone might steal the pot. But at last he could not resist himself from boasting. What did he do? He boasted of his prize, means the magic pot. And the pot fell down and broke. Because he started to dance with the pot and it slipped from his hand and broke. Slowly what happened? It vanished, leaving the woodcutter heartbroken. He was heartbroken. After that day, he went looking for the Yakshas many times, but he never saw them again. I hope you people have understood the story by now. very nicely. Please read the chapter. I request children again and again. Learn the question answers, meanings of the phrases, the meanings which are there in the book, opposites, who said to whom. Okay, and please do the make sentences. After this, also, if you people face any problem, please feel free to come and say it to me. I'm always there to help you all. Okay, no more for today. We are going to meet in the next class again. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, stay home and enjoy learning. Thank you.